A is for astronaut, fly so high. A, touch the sky. B is for bus, drive along. B, sing a song. C is for cloud, soft and white. C, floating light. D is for deer, run and leap. D, through the deep. E is for emu, tall and fast. E, running past. F is for fireman, brave and strong. F, all day long. G is gorilla, big and loud. G, proud and proud. H is hippo, splash and play. H, it in the bay. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. A, B, C, sing with me. Move and groove joyfully. Say it once, say it twice. Learning letters feels so nice. I is iguana, green and slow. I, go, go. J is jaguar, quick and fast. J, running past. K is koala, soft and sweet. K, sleepy feet. L is lighthouse, shining bright. L, in the night. Call and answer, sing it clear. Every letter loud we hear. M is mask, wear and play. M, every day. N is ninja, jump and spin. N, let's begin. O is officer, help and guide. O, by your side. P is panther, sleek and fast. P, racing past. A, B, C, sing with me. Clap and shout joyfully. Letters strong, letters fun. Learning for everyone. Q is queen, crown so bright. Q, shining light. R is rain, drip, drop. R, never stop. S is sand, soft and warm. S, tiny storm. T is teddy, hug him tight. T, day and night. U is unicorn, magic run. U, sparkle fun. V is volcano, boom and glow. V, lava flow. W is wave, splash the sea. W, wild and free. X is x-ray, see inside. X, look and guide. Y is yak,